back with another video. And today we're gonna be playing Sky. No, we're gonna be playing Turf Wars. No. We're gonna be playing something. But today we're playing on a different server. We're not playing on Minecraft. Let's just go find the server. So we got Kit PvP, Domination Build Battle, Skywars, Turf Wars, or there's nothing there. But we're gonna play a few rounds of Skywars. They take forever to find the freaking server. Who cares? It's on me. I will join the game. It's gonna take forever. Person skin. I just need to. Can we join one now? It's morning time. Sure. We might have to play something else. Wait, tell join. Dang! Are you kidding me? I need to see the servers. Freaking kidding me. I had a chance to join one. Okay. We can join one now. No, we can't still. Okay, I'll come over here again. Is there any? Oh wait, no. Yeah, this is not helping at all. Oh wait. Yeah, found. Am I going? Wow. Got disconnected from the server. Oh my gosh. Too many people. Charging. Okay. Wait, am I logged in? Let me see. Next. Okay, log in. Oh, I won't log in. I can't let y'all see my password. Oh yeah, we just gonna play this. Hey, this is Micro Wars. Micro Wars it is. Why? Why? Oh, I wasn't connected to the Wi-Fi. You kidding me? I don't care. Freaking kidding me. I'm gonna go in my room. Get this Wi-Fi. Oh, it's stinking, bro. Gotta fix the toilet. Okay, back. Upside down. Okay. Okay, we can finally do this. Closer to the Wi-Fi. I think we only got time for like one game. Oh crap. Dang. Oh my gosh, it's taking forever. Okay, here we go. Now. Not playing skywars. Turf Wars. Yeah, I would play a PvP. I suck at these anyway. Perfect. Perfect. I had to get my behind kick. Ooh. Wait, let me go. Dang it. Dang it. Do I even have any weapons? They're free. Dang it. Oh crap, people are following me. I don't got any weapons. Oh my gosh. I don't got no weapons. No weapons. What is that free? What is this? I don't think he know where I am now. Okay. Really? You gotta be VIP to do this? I don't got no weapons, so what am I supposed to do? I thought they gave you a weapon, because I got one last time. Oh, wait, you have to choose a kit. Oh, crap. I forgot. I can't open that chest either. Best thing to do is just close these doors. And teleport back to the hub. Gotta choose the kit first. There's nothing in there, okay. I want this. Okay, I don't know how to do this crap here. Can I not? Okay. How do I choose my kit? I need help. I can't fight or nothing. I need to choose a kit. Dang it. Okay, let me come back down here. Oh, I think you can buy stuff, so I want to be an archer. I want to, squirt. One bow and 32 arrows. So, also I have a kit there. Dang it, I'm slow down. Everybody wanna kill me. Yeah. Okay. Oh no, I'm stuck. Okay. Dang it! Oh, you little didn't. You little. Easy car. I don't, I don't get this. How do you freaking? I need a kit. Kit. I don't got no kit. One golden apple. Can I get a kit? Ah. Hey, how many coins do I have? Coins, 35 coins. What? I have 35 coins. What's the free? Finally. Okay, hang on. Okay, I can kill some people now. They have to kill me. What the freak? Oh my god. Okay, here we go. Try to eat you. I have another sword. Oh, they're just gonna gang up on me like that, really? I want to team with somebody. No, give me these golden apples. Dang it! This game. I don't like split controls. Oh wait, I like how to jump. I'm going to split controls. Okay, done. Oh crap! Dang it! Dang it! Okay, eat the golden apple. Leave. Leave. Dang it! Do I regen? No, I don't regen faster. Oh crap! No! That! Oh! Last round. Last time. Do I take away your coins when you buy stuff? Let me see. 35 coins still. Okay. Oh guys, that's the end of this video. As you can see, I suck at PvP. Goodbye.